Are you in search of reputable and reliable HVAC contractors in San Diego, California? Look no further because Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling has got you covered. At Straight Shooter, we take pride in being one of the leading HVAC contractors in San Diego. Our team is highly trained, experienced, and dedicated to providing top-notch HVAC services to our clients. When it comes to your HVAC needs, we understand that you want a contractor that you can trust. That's why we are committed to being transparent and honest with our clients, living up to our name as Straight Shooters. Our services include installation, repair, and maintenance of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. We are well equipped to handle both residential and commercial projects. Contact us today. What are the benefits of regular HVAC maintenance? Regular HVAC maintenance is crucial for extending the lifespan of your heating and cooling systems, improving energy efficiency, and preventing costly repairs. Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling offers maintenance plans that include thorough inspections, cleaning, and tuning of your HVAC systems. This proactive approach helps identify potential issues before they become major problems, saving you money and ensuring your systems operate optimally. What types of HVAC systems does Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling service? Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling services a wide range of HVAC systems, including central air conditioners, furnaces, heat pumps, ductless mini-split systems, and more. Their technicians are trained to work with all major brands and models. How do I know if I need to repair or replace my HVAC system? Deciding whether to repair or replace your HVAC system depends on several factors, including the system's age, the frequency of breakdowns, and the cost of repairs compared to replacement. Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling offers expert assessments to help you make an informed decision. Where is Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling located? We are located at 3919 30th Street Suite East 1, San Diego, California 92104. Our phone number is 619-604-9096. Visit our website, www.bestsanDiegoHVAC.com/north-park-ac-installation-repair.